In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life indicator in your Ford Bronco Sport. If you happen to change your own engine oil and filter, you're going to need to know how to reset your oil life indicator. Let's jump inside the vehicle and get it reset. Right, to reset the oil life indicator, the vehicle cannot be running. Just simply get inside with the key. Do not put your foot on the brake and just hit the engine start stop one time. Now if you look at your screen, it's going to say full accessory power active. Come down here to your steering wheel control and hit OK. And now you'll see that that indicator went away. And now come back down here to the steering wheel, hit menu one time, and then you're going to use this up or down. You can scroll up, you can scroll down. And if you take a look at the screen, you have all these options. You're going to scroll to the bottom where it says settings. And once you're on settings, hit OK. And then it's going to come up as oil life. Now you're going to hit OK one more time. And now it says percent of oil life, whatever is remaining. Hold OK to reset. If you just push OK once, it's not going to reset it. You need to hold in OK until that completely resets and it goes to 100%. Now you can simply start your car, drive away if you need to, or hit the start stop button one more time and exit the vehicle. And now your oil life has been reset and you're good to go to your next oil change. Hope you enjoyed this quick video and thanks for watching.